this is figure out once again. Here we go. This video is all about antifreeze coolant. Color antifreeze coolant. Yes, color antifreeze coolant. Why you should use color antifreeze coolant for your car engine is what I want to talk about it. Many car owners use normal water that is no good for the car. And I'm going to show you why you use color antifreeze coolant for your car. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then here we go. One is use antifreeze color coolant or antifreeze coolant is to prevent rust and scale. Prevent rust and scale. This is the reason why you should use antifreeze color coolant to prevent rust and then scale. Because of the properties of the water, it's supposed to use antifreeze coolant to prevent rust and then scale. As you can see, this one here is neat. Yes, prevent rust and scale. Two is that it makes your inside of the engine neat. It makes your engine inside because of prevention of rust and scale, it makes inside of the engine neat for you. And then the three, it helps your water pump to last long. Yes, water pump to last long. So that's why it's supposed to use color antifreeze coolant for your car. It helps because of the rust. If your water pumps going to rust, it will damage the component of the water pump. It damage this component. It damage your water pump because of the rust. Yes, you're supposed to use antifreeze coolant for your car. That's three. And then the four, it also help your engine to last long. Yes, it also help your engine to last long because of the antifreeze coolant. If you use the normal water for your car, the rust will damage the engine, and then the boiling point and the freezing point of the water will damage the engine. Because when the normal water freeze, that's 0 degrees Celsius, and then you put the 2 degrees Fahrenheit, it expands itself so it can burst your engine. That's why you're supposed to use colored antifreeze coolant for your car. Yes, that's four. Five, two is that. Five is that is easy to identify any leakage. It's easy for you to identify any leakage in your coolant system. If your coolant system is leaking because of the colored antifreeze coolant, you can easily identify where the leakage is coming from. Yes, so that you can prevent that. That's why you're supposed to use colored antifreeze coolant for your car. And then lastly, it's very necessary for you is that using of colored antifreeze coolants prevents unnecessary overheating because of the boiling point of normal water or coolant that antifreeze. The boiling point is high. The boiling point of normal water is 100 degrees Celsius, and then the freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. The 100 degrees Celsius is 212 Fahrenheit, and then the 0 degrees Celsius is 32 Fahrenheit. So water has higher freezing points and boil faster at lower temperature than the coolant. And antifreeze coolant also has a lower freezing point and higher boiling point than the water. So this shows that the antifreeze coolant is good to use as a coolant for your car engine so that it helps the car temperature or car to perform well for you. With AK Garage, yes, it's AK Garage, yes. More information and more video for you about your car.